Darian Peterson looks to pass, and he's sacked back at around the 10-yard line, just inside the 10. Number 12, William Collins Jr. breaks in to make the play for the Skyhawks.
Justin's there. Maybe Justin does. Stop!
25 seconds!
Stupid little boy.
Number 8, Justin Rawls takes the toss around the left side. There's a fumble on the play. Skyhawks come up with it. Number 84, Jason Oliver forces the fumble. Number 12, William Collins recovers for the Skyhawks. They'll have it 1st and 10 from the Monacan 11-yard line.
Jason.